Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet for Baby. Today I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. It's stitch number 34. I did this stitch in Spanish and I've been asked by a lot of subscribers lately to record it in English, so today I'm going to do that. The border, I've already done a tutorial, so I'll leave the link in the description box. And here's another small sample that I did. This one here I did with baby yarn and a 4.5mm crochet hook, which is what we're going to do today. Okay, so without further say, let's get started. Okay, so to begin, I'm using a 4.5mm crochet hook, and I'm using light number 3 baby yarn. You can use any yarn as long as you use the appropriate hook size for the yarn that you're using. The stitch multiple for our stitch today is multiples of 5 plus 2. I have 22 chains here. Your chain is going to be longer, however, the sequence is still the same. Okay, so to begin, on the second chain from the hook, 1, 2, we're going to make 1 single crochet. Okay, then we're going to skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 5th chain, we're going to make 6 double crochets into the same space. So yarn over, insert your hook into the 5th chain, pull up a loop, take 2 loops out, take 2 loops out, and close. Okay, we're going to make 6 of these. Again, yarn over, insert your hook again into the same space, pull up a loop, take 2 loops out, take 2 loops out, and close. Okay, we have 2. 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochets, 2, 4, 6. Okay, and now again we're going to skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into our 5th chain, again 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochets. Okay, and then again we're going to skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the 5th chain, again 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochets. Okay, this is how you're going to do your first row. Just continue making your fans of 6 double crochets into the same space. When you come to the end, you're going to be left with 5 chains. So into the 5th chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're going to finish your first row with 1 single crochet. Okay, and here's your first row finished. So now for the second row, you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn. Okay, and now here we have 6 double crochets that make up this one fan. On each one of these double crochets, right on top, we're going to make 1 double crochet. Starting here with our first double crochet, we're going to go like this on top and make 1 double crochet. And then into the next, same thing. 1 double crochet. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now again, we have one more fan. We have 6 double crochets. So on each one of them, we're going to work 1 double crochet on top. So again, beginning here with our first double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochets. Okay, and then again we have one more fan, same thing, double crochets on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and now to finish your second row, all you need to do is 1 double crochet right here into this single crochet that we did at the beginning of the first row, right there. So just make a double crochet. And here's your second row complete. And this is what it looks like. Okay, so now you're going to repeat the second and the third row. For the third row, you're going to chain 3. Okay, turn. And now here we have 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Between the third and the fourth, we have this stitch right here. Right there. And this stitch right here is right along the very edge, right on top. Okay, I'm not talking about the stitch, these 2 stitches that are right on top. I'm talking about the ones that are right along the very edge on the side, right here, these 2. Right there, this is where we're going to make 6 double crochets. The reason why I like to do my 6 double crochets along the edge on the side is because when you make them in there, there's not a big hole as it tends to do when you do it on top. When you do 6 double crochets here on top, this stitch tends to pull and creates a big gap like this between each of the stitches. So I like to do them on the side because, as you can see, even when I pull, it stays the same. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So here we're going to make 6 double crochets, and it's again the stitch between the third and the fourth, right in the middle. Okay, that's where we're going to do our 6 double crochets. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 6 double crochets. Okay, and then again we have our next fan, and we have 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right between the third and the fourth, you're going to insert your hook along the edge. Remember, you have these 2 stitches right there. And you're going to make again 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then again we have our next fan with 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochets between the third and the fourth double crochet. You're going to insert your hook right along the side into these 2 little bars and make again 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 double crochets. Okay, and to complete your third row, all you need to do is 1 double crochet here into this chain that's right on top. So make 1 double crochet. Okay, and this is your third row complete. You're going to repeat the second and the third row until you have the size that you want. So now for the fourth row, you're going to do the second row. For the second row, we did 3 chains. We're going to turn, and now we're going to work double crochets into each one of these double crochets that make up each one of these fans. Okay, so beginning here, this first one, 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then again we have 6 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then again, 1 more fan, 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and to complete this fourth row, again, 1 double crochet into this chain right here on top. Okay, so here's your fourth row, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so now you're going to do your fifth row, and remember, you're going to now do your third row. 1, 2, 3. Turn, and then remember, we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Between the third and the fourth, we have this space right along the top. You're going to make 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so you're going to continue like this, just repeating rows 2 and 3 until you have the size that you need. And here's our stitch. Okay, so this is what it looks like once you have a bit more. It's a very nice stitch and it's reversible, like I said. Okay, so this has been today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.